So let me show you. If you are working on your hanging basket, you're gonna see that this bloom is finished, right? So most people just pull that off like that. Okay, that is not gonna help your plant. You actually have to pull off the growing point that that plant was stuck to in order for it to be beneficial. So right here is where this flower was. Unless I remove it back here behind the growing point, it is not gonna produce another flower. So what you wanna do is find those old blooms and pinch back behind the growing point so that now this plant will put its energy into producing a new flower. So you can actually do that with all kinds of flowers. Here's my verbena. I'm gonna pull this off and now it's gonna produce a new plant. If you just pull off the bud, remember that it's already done producing a flower. It's not gonna try to make a new one. But if you remove that growing point, it's gonna push out fresh blooms. And that's where trimming becomes so beneficial, because you remove several of those old blooms when you trim your flower back, and it causes it to put its energy into producing new blooms. If your plant ever starts to look leggy, or it's midsummer and you're like, where are all the petunia blooms at? Trim it back. It will make a world of difference. Feed it and watch it grow.